Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Kenny McCormick from South Park, also featuring in Fortnite at the moment. It's a cool skin. So let's go in at the top. I'm going to draw Kenny's head right at the top up here, this way. I'm going to draw the nice circle for his anorak. So it's going to go around this way here. So I'm going to grab my pen about here. I'm just going to go from this point up. Just draw yourself a nice circle. Around like that, okay? Right, we've got that bit in now. So what I'm going to do now is just draw the inner part of Kenny's hood. So the very inner part comes in like this, curve around this way, and on the other side, curve it around like that. Just join it up, and then I'm just going to pop in. Now slightly obscure, but his eyes are going to pop in here. So one's going to curve around here, one's going to curve around this way. So about this point, just bring your pen around, curve it around here. And on this side, curve it around, join up to here, around like that. And what we'll do is we'll just pop in two little pupils over the eyes. Okay, cool. Just got to put the little outer here. So I'm going to go around this way. Nice and circular around here for Kenny's hood. Right around that way there. There we go. And then he's got two little sort of bits just hanging down there. So I'm just going to draw 1, 2 like that. And I'm pretty happy with that, okay? Okay, so next up, I'm going to draw the rest of his kind of robot skin. This one's kind of trash-like. So first of all, it's got a couple of little, almost like tubular bits either side here. So first of all, draw a circle there, and then I'm going to go across, just draw a line across each one there, and just underneath here, I'm going to draw a nice little curve around, like the collar little bits. Maybe just fill these little bits in here and here. There we go. And then I'm going to draw a little circle around here. It's almost like a toilet seat, right? I'm going to draw a little curve around this way here, a curve around this way here. There's a little bit joining it up here, so I'm just going to draw a little line across here. Nice and easy. There we go. Now, in the middle here, he's got this like kind of trash can bin going on, so I'm going to draw a line across about here. Just going to go across here, right across this way. Draw two little bits down there, join along there, and then what I'm going to do is draw little tapered lines either side this way. This is almost like the upper body and torso. So one line down there, another one coming down this way. Okay, just join that up, nice and loose, there we go. Okay, let's get these arms in. So it's got these cool little shoulder parts, sort of there's big bits off them, but at the moment I'm just going to draw the upper shoulders. I'm going to draw a line across here, and a line across here, just join it up. He's got like a traffic cone on here, right? So I'm going to draw almost like a diamond shape, come out to the point here, out here and around. And then what we're going to do is draw the cone in the middle. So a line up here, just curve it in a bit, curve it around here like that. Maybe there's a couple little lines in there, just so these little tape stickers bits, like that. Just going to draw a little elbow, sort of mechanical elbow bit coming in around here. There's almost like a little line coming off here of a curve, and then he's got a little pincer at the top here. So first of all, I'm going to draw a little rectangle in the middle, and then around here I'm going to draw a little curve to a pincer here, a little curve to a pincer there, two lines up, and we're going to come out line, 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 line. Same thing on the other side, yeah? Line, 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 we've got that cool little robot pincer in there. And yeah, there is up here, there is like a big old shoulder pad. So I'm just going to draw a little line up here across this way here. Maybe just mark it there, okay? Now on this side, the arm's coming down this way. You see the main forearm and the pincer here. So what I'm going to do first of all, at this point here, I'm going to draw the pincer first of all. So once again, a little rectangular bit. I'm going to come in, curve a little pincer here, 2 lines up, and then I'm going to go out, line, and in, and then out, line, and in there. Great, okay. Next up, just going to pop a little square in here, and right in this bit, a little circle in there. We'll just colour that in with a bit of inking there, so that it goes into that point. This is the kind of wrist area, so I'm going to bring my pen out either side. It's like the forearm area. Join it up, and then there's looks like 2 little rectangular bits just at the bottom of it. And you do see a little bit coming up here and around, probably just behind there a little bit, just to that upper arm. Maybe there's a couple of curves, and there is along here, coming up probably around here, just the shoulder pad, around like that. This little blue piece comes around like that. You know what? I think I'm happy with that. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, as we go down to the torso area, sort of the hips, I'm going to just draw the front panel part here. Just going to come down, it's almost like a tire. Comes around like that. Maybe there's a couple little lines in there. Looks like a little wheel in the middle there. I've got 2 almost like cans popping out either side for the hips. So a little curve and in, come out here, little curve and in there. And then I've got 2 straight outer leg bits coming down this way, right? So 1, 2, join over here, 1, 2, join. Now there's almost like, I don't know, it's like little egg boxes or something. I'm just going to draw some little bumps on the edge here. 1, 2, 3. Over here, 1, 2, 3. And these are joined up with little bits of rope. So got like a line here, 1 going up here, 1 across this way. And over here, there's just 2. So it's going to have 1 here, maybe 1 coming down here. Okay, next up, go to the knees. Now, these are like little bag bits. So I'm just going to draw little rounded bits coming all the way down here. Just bump it out a bit, round like that. And on this side, same thing. Just bop it out, round it around and in. And then there's little, it's almost like bits of string or copper going around it. So I'm just going to draw some little lines going either side of that. And then for the shin area, this one's got some sort of, it's almost like a plastic carton. So I'm going to come out either side here, down either side here, and then curve it in, and a little line at the bottom there. And on this side, I don't know, is it some sort of bag? Let's just come out either side here, curve it around, curve it in, out at the end there, bring it around there. We've got those shins in there, right? Now down here, it's got kind of slippers on. So on this side, I'm just going to draw the rest of this sort of stick coming down here, and then I'm just going to come around here where the foot is, around here and up, little circle there, back round. Maybe there's a couple little lines where it's joined up. And on this side, it's like a unicorn little slipper. So first of all, just draw a little unicorn point, and then I'm going to come around here and around here, just join it up. Maybe they've got this little stick bit going in the middle and around. Let's draw a little eye in here, maybe a little smiley face there. That's all I need to do. Finally, let's go to the center. Let's fill in this bin area. So the main thing here, we've got a little sort of no littering kind of sign going on. So I'm going to draw in here, nice kind of circle right here. lines there for like no entry. Let's go around the outside so we kind of block in this look. A few little drips, so just drip it coming down. It's like spray painted on. And then we draw a little circle in it and a little, it's almost like a little person. So just give a little hint that person's in here and a few little no littering little pieces going on there. Finally, a couple lines out, just a little bit of the design of the bin there, and it comes up sort of in the middle here. We'll just pipe that around like that there. Okay, just a couple of little extra bits. There's a few little sort of crinkly little bits going on here. Maybe a little sticker on the carton there. A few little grimy bits going on in this bin, so a few little sloppy little bits coming down this way, just to embellish it. Maybe a couple little curves in this point here. And then, do you know what? I think I'm done with that. There we go, that's Kenny McCormick from South Park, also featuring as a cool skin in Fortnite at the moment. I'm gonna go colour this up. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who else I can draw in the comments as well. And I'll see you again really soon. All right, thanks, bye for now.